Hello guys! Nagbabalak ba kayo mag-Boracay and beachfront hotel ang hanap ninyo? Try na sa Boracay Ocean Club. It is located at Station 3 in Boracay. Yan ako. And together with my family, we actually stayed in their Diamond Suite room. Yan yung toilet nila. Napakaluwag guys. Meron na tong hot and cold shower. At meron pang bathtub na mai-enjoy nyo talaga. Ito yung room nila. As in, ang luwag talaga guys. 4 lang talaga kami na nagstay dito. Pero kasya ang 5 hanggang 6 katao dyan. Okay, ito yung view namin from our room. Ganda no? Yung terrace nila meron tong jacuzzi na mai-enjoy ninyo. This is the view from their deck. Okay? Ang hotel na to ay may 2 swimming pool. Isa sa baba at saka isa sa taas na mai-enjoy nyo. Look at that view from our room. Ganda no?